A foreign language is a language originally from another country than the speaker. However, there must be a defined distinction between foreign and second language. Learning a new language involves listening, speaking, reading, writing, sometimes even a new alphabet and writing format. If we focus exclusively on just one, in general, it's believed that children have an advantage to learning a foreign language over adults. However, there are studies which have shown adult students are better at foreign language learning than child students. It's because adults have pre-existing knowledge of how grammar works and a superior ability of memorizing vocabulary. There are strategies that can help you study more effectively so that you make the most of your time and energy. Here is explanation some of the key principles that guide effective language learning and then describes activities that can help you put these principles into practice. Use these tools to create a strategic study plan that
Sometimes the biggest challenge to language learning is overcoming our own fears. Fear of making a mistake, of saying the wrong thing, of embarrassing yourself, of not being able to find the right word, and so on. This is all perfectly rational. Anyone learning a language is going to consider finding a study partner who is at your level of language skill. This is often more comfortable than practicing with an advanced student or a native speaker, and they're usually easier to find. You have got a whole class full of potential partners. Without grammar, you won't know how to use your vocabulary, since grammar tells you how to combine words into sentences. And obviously, if you are in a foreign language class, you are going to need to study all the material to do well, and that will definitely include the grammar.
Let's talk about the basics. Research in this area called second language acquisition in academia suggests that there are three key elements to learning a new language. The first, comprehensible input, which is a fancy way of saying exposure to hearing or reading something in new language and learning to understand. The best way to start working on your memory is to build on the techniques that you already know work for you. For example, if associating a word with a picture is effective for you, then you should incorporate images into your vocabulary practice. However, if you are not sure where to start, here is a beginner formula for memorizing. Use the word at least 5 times the first set you learn it, then multiple times over the week, at least once every day. Memory is a critical part of any kind of studying, and effective memorizing is strongly correlated with success in foreign language. But if you're not good at memorizing things, do not despair.